There's fireworks outside. There's fireworks. Sure, it's Thanksgiving. Also, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. There's somebody's lighting off fireworks. I did also light off fireworks for Thanksgiving too. Oh, I think they're done. Well, maybe they're not. Maybe they're lighting more. Let me see. It's also Thanksgiving, so. But I also did light fireworks for Thanksgiving. So let's wait a second and see. Also there's like it snowed, as you can see. It's not currently snowing right now, but it did snow quite a bit. As you can see, like on the snow on top of the cars. So let me wait a second and see if they'll, if there's more, maybe. I'm gonna wait like another 10-15 seconds. Okay, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think they're done. Yeah, but that was cool. Also, happy Thanksgiving, guys. I hope you had a good one.